What's the meaning of blue ribbon? Blue ribbon. Blue ribbon.
Blue ribbon. Blue ribbon. The term blue ribbon has several meanings depending on the context. Generally, it refers to a top honor or award given to someone for exceptional performance or achievement in a particular field. For example, a blue ribbon may be awarded to a horse at a fair for being the best in its category. The term can also refer to a type of high-quality product, such as blue ribbon beer. In some cases, blue ribbons are used as symbols of support for a cause or awareness campaign. Overall, the term blue ribbon connotes excellence, superiority, and distinction.